today we are gonna open this box. And first, here's our 2D2. Beepa beepo, beepa. Hi guys. Hi. Do 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 do. Let's get to it. Take out what's inside. I'll take out this box.
Hey, no!
Bing!
Okay.
I'll open this box.
Guys, be nice to each other.
Okay. We got some screws.
What do you have? Well,
Instructions.
let's look at what Dakota's doing here. What are you doing there, Dakota? What'd you get?
What?
You know what that is?
Yeah.
Oh,
What
I
is
know
it?
what that is. It's a phone holder.
Oh, really? Let me see the button. Can I see it?
I'll open. Oh. I'll open this one. Oh,
Close
these
the
are.
knife. Close the knife, guys. Never leave the knife open. What is that, Carver?
This is a thing to take out these staplers.
Carlo, I need you to open.
And hang on, Cody. I got this. Ooh, I got a stapler. Ta-da! And now we'll open this.
Isn't that stapler so exciting?
I like it. It's cool. Wow. Here's a little ticket thing. Ooh. Wait. This one's made out of metal.
That's a good
Instead of
deal.
plastic like that one that Josh is putting his phone on. Now Mercy's playing with the paper. Whatever it's called. Oh!
Guys, be nice. Be nice.
Whoa. Oh, what is this?
What is this?
Let's open it. Wait, does this hang on the wall? You put him? Does this hang on the wall, Josh?
It looks like it.
Oh, I know what this is.
What is it?
It's a chin-up rod.
What the?
It's a chin-up rod. You're going to start doing exercises.
Really?
No.
I
What
know
is it, Dakota?
This is
You
what
can
you would have
put-
done. You would have been like, right? Is that what you meant, Mama?
Yeah. I was just being silly, though.
You can put your towels on these.
Or you could put it right here and you could go like,
Or you could do this.
They're going to help you do squats.
excuse me. Oh my goodness.
Isn't that so exciting? We got a towel rod and a phone holder and a stapler. Can't get any better than that, huh?
Right.
Hey! Wow. Is it spring-loaded?
I don't know.
I think so.
So what's your favorite, Dakota?
Probably
I got two favorites.
the stapler and these.
The towel rod?
What's your favorite, Carver?
My favorite's the stapler and the phone holder thing. Here's all the staples that are in it. Beep, 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 beep. I'm back. You miss me?
All right, what do you guys say?
Thank you for watching. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell button and give us a thumbs up. Bye. Do, 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 do. Bye.